Hi guys, this your boy Nimega Official, and as usual, whenever I come on your screens, I'm basically bringing solutions to your problems. Um, as I stated initially, my main focus for this whole Instagram account, YouTube account I've created, Nimega Official. I'm basically Nimega Official on all platforms. So the main purpose is to open your eyes on the financial market, the truths about the financial market, the pros and cons about the financial market. You feel what I mean? Let you know what it's about. It's not always about Lamborghinis. It's not necessarily always about cars, and stuff like that. So I'll keep it very simple and concise, and then let's move straight into the video. Okay, so guys, on my screens you could see something very interesting happened 2 days ago. Where, as I stated initially, if you look at my account, it says Nimega Official. You can see right there, Nimega Official. That's my account, and it's Nimega Official everywhere. So it says crypto enthusiast, forex trader, yada yada yada. So that's my account. But then the main reason why I've brought you to my Twitter account today is the fact that I wanted to pinpoint a post I made on August 7th. Okay, sorry, August 2nd, and I'm like, gold is going up this week, thanks. Okay, and then if I tap into the post and the post load, you see at the time of the video, gold was trading at around $4,069 point, let's say 65 cents whatsoever, but let's say 4,069 at the time of the posting of the video. That's around 2 days ago, right? Today is the fourth. No, sorry, today is the fifth, so 3 days ago. Today is the 5th of August, and it's a Wednesday, depending on where you are. So let's go right into the gold market and then see where gold is currently trading at. So from 4,069, let's see. Let's see where gold is trading at currently. Okay. So currently, as we speak, gold is basically trading at if I'm not mistaken, is currently trading at 4,000. 4,157.04, around that price region. So do you understand what I'm saying? So gold rose from 4,069 around this price here. So let me draw a line. 4,069. Let's say 4,070, and gold is currently here. Do you see the quantum jump? And I predicted this 3 days ago that gold is basically going for like a very 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 strong move to the upside. So on your screens you can see very loud and clear that we've basically, I saw it coming, I saw it in advance, and it did happen. So that's a good thing. Okay, that's a good thing. So what's the next thing? Since right now I'll be posting videos and stuff, trying to make sure you guys are abreast to whatever I say. Now the next thing I'm seeing good um should do is, as it stands now, is basically 5:45. So basically we have, let me see, give or take, we have roughly like, yeah, roughly like a few minutes to what's the name, landing session. And I'm so tired. I've been sitting for hours. I've been monitoring the financial what's the name, calendar, or the economic calendar, and I found out that we have NFP this week. We have PMI, like so many big news this week. So I'll comment on it. So yeah, so for gold, as I said, the buys are in nice and steady. They're in nice and steady, so it's a good thing. So what should I anticipate next? My next anticipation is rather I want gold to slow down, or I need gold to slow down. Okay, that's what I need gold to do. So you see these buys that you are seeing. I'm looking at the landing sessions you bring. You see, couple things can happen. The first thing that can happen is gold can continue its trajectory to the upside, or gold can slow down and come for a reverse or a retracement. Do you understand? Okay, because let me let you understand this. In the financial market, is a game of precision, not a game of accuracy. Put this in your mind. The financial market is a game of precision, not a game of accuracy. So those of you chasing to be right, you can never be right, and you can never be wrong, because you are not the one setting the market scheme. Do you understand? So don't try to be right, or don't try to be wrong. You need to build a system that is devoid of all this, oh, you are right or you are wrong type of mindset. It's a probability based system. Do you understand? So as it stands now, I'm looking at gold doing a couple of things, and as I stated initially, I'm like, I need gold to slow down. It's either gold will slow down. Let me take my marker or my highlighter. No, this one is this one better? No, let me reduce it. Okay, that's the reduction. It's either gold will slow down. You see, I'm looking at gold slowing down between here. One second. Between this price here and this price here. So I'll put it there like so. So between this price range from 4,153 to 4,196, within that price range, that's what I'm looking at gold slowing down. So gold can decide to slow down here, gold can decide to slow down here, gold can decide to slow down here. But I'm looking at gold slowing down between this price range. Do you understand? Between this price range. So that's the first scenario. Put that in your head. I'm looking at gold slowing down between this price range. Okay, let me delete this real quick. So right now the buys are in. Today's a Wednesday. We have 2 days to finish the week. There's hot news coming on Friday, so I'm well aware. So we trade as we go, literally. So I'm looking at gold slowing down in between this. So what do I do now? I'll just be patient. So at any point, if gold feels like, okay, I want to reverse within my desired what's the name, price level, then guys, see what I'm expecting next. What I'm expecting next is something very interesting. I'm also expecting gold to retrace again. Let's assume gold is reversing at this price point. Let's assume. Okay, let's assume. But it doesn't giving me confirmation, because it's basically a very high momentum candle. This is a 4-hour candle, high momentum. Let's say I go to 8-hour candlesticks. Sorry, 30 minutes, high momentum still. It's still not convincing. Okay, because if I'm looking at gold reverse, I need to get some doji candles and stuff like that. But I know the range in which it to reverse. I said between 4,153 and 4,196. Within that price range, that's the first case scenario. If gold is able to reverse within that price range, then this is my next line of action. I'll apply my Fibonacci here, like so. If it will reverse there, I'll apply my Fibonacci here, like so. Where is it? Okay, let's assume it will reverse here. Then I'm looking for another reversal to the 78.6 fib level. I'm looking at another reversal to the 78.6 level. Do you understand? But I haven't gotten the confirmation yet. So what do I wait? I need to be patient to see what the Londoners bring. That's all I can do. I need to be patient. Do you get it? So as I said, the buyers have come in, good stuff. So right now, what I'm yet to do is to wait for gold to slow down. Wait for gold to slow down, and to slow down within 4,153 and 4,196. So that's basically what you can do on gold. The buyers are strong, so to sell against the trend now will be a very bad decision for an individual to do. Very bad decision for an individual to do, to be quite honest. So we wait for gold to slow down. What do we mean by gold slowing down? Look here. Look at this side. Look here. Look here. Where should I go? Where should I? Okay, good. And look here. You see, whenever gold wants to reverse, okay, it doesn't reverse sharply. Let's say after a very strong momentum move, it doesn't reverse sharply. It takes breaks. You see it take a break. You see momentum drop. That's when you know, okay, at least in my area, I know this is my area of interest. So the moment the market gets into my area of interest, I know what I'm expecting. Right now, I'm expecting sellers, but I see very strong buying momentum. So it would be a very bad idea to try to sell at this point. You need to wait. You need to basically wait for reversal candles. So from 4,153 to 4,196, I'm just wait because I caught the buys, so it's good. I'll just have to wait to see a nice reversal. But sometimes normally what I do is, at my level of experience, I know certain candlestick makeups. When I see them, I know it's time for reversal. But if you don't really have strong conviction, I normally wait. You wait for the reversal when it's getting into its retracement level, then you can join on the buy ride. Okay, because as I said, it's a game of probabilities. Right now, gold is currently in on an uptrending situation. It's currently uptrending. So if you are doing the odds, the thing is already in an uptrend. Okay, so let's say if you have 50-50 odds to win in an uptrend situation, you are going only buys. The moment you are countering the trend sells, that 50% chance of win reduces to 30 or 25. You understand? It reduces to 30 or 25. So basically, that's my bias on gold. And as I stated, 3 days ago, I stated gold will be going for buys. And we've had very, very strong buys from Monday, Tuesday, and even today, Wednesday. And we have gold trade 5 days in the week. So as I said earlier, it's in an area where I'm expecting some decent reversals within a specific price range. Now, this is the last thing I'll end with you. If you look here, okay, look at this pair very. You can see my exponential moving average. Let me remove my exponential moving average is lurking around there. Look at this. The exponential moving average is basically coming this way. And normally gold has a behavior of trying to go tap the exponential moving average before it comes for its reversal. So do you see? So this strong move you see, me looking at this, I'm saying, okay, as I said earlier, it will reverse within 4,153 and 4,196. And that falls within, the exponential moving average is within that price range. It's within that price range. So it will shoot, tap it, and then go for the reversals. Do you understand? So until then, it will still be bullish, tap the exponential moving average, then go for the reversal. And the reversal will be the same calculation of 78.6, and we'll follow go through, and then I'll meet you in the next video. Literally. So that's takes on gold, and today is Wednesday, the 5th of August 2026. So guys, as I said initially, a lot goes into the financial market. Someone will ask me, how did I know? I've been studying market data for years. As I said earlier on, I've been studying gold from the 1960s, 1970s. I did back from the 70s, from the 70s to the 80s to the 90s. So I see a certain pattern repeat itself. This has nothing to do with head and shoulders and those things they told you. Head and shoulders, bullish, bearish, backs, harmonics. This is purely different. This is something you've not heard in thy entire life. And as I said initially, this is your boy Nimega Official, and my goal is to literally make millionaires as much as possible, provided you are willing to learn. As I said, forex is not a get-rich scheme. It took me over 6 years to get this level of insight, and I'm not gatekeeping. Okay, I thank God so much for not, leaving me and giving me the strength to go through. So I'm happy teaching you, and I'll meet you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share the video. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to like, because you are building something that has never been built before. And I know God is with me, and everything is gonna be all right. Thank you so very much for sticking and staying with me. We'll come back for the next review on gold probably in our next video. Thank you so very much. God be with you. Peace.